Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today is the first day in 4 months that I'm doing hair. This has been the longest break I've taken from doing hair ever, so it's just so weird being back behind the chair again and trying to see if my fingers still work. But yeah, today I'm going to be attempting the stitch braids for the first time ever. So I'm just going to let you guys watch and see how that went. It was kind of difficult, but just because I'm not used to moving my hands that way when I corn roll. But I think it's one of those things where the more you do it, the stronger and better you get at it. So yeah, just watch and enjoy, and I'll see you guys shortly. Oh, and if you're looking to book a hair appointment with me here in Lagos, Nigeria, make sure you check out Taupe Salon, TAUPE_salon, SALON. That's where I'll be working while I'm here in Lagos, so you can book your appointment on their website. My website is currently under construction, so until it's complete, I will not be putting any, schedule up there. I mean, you can DM me for appointments, or you can directly book me at Taupe's website, which is on their Instagram bio. I'll put links in the description and details so you guys can click on it. But yeah, you can go ahead and schedule your appointment with me. I'll be doing a varieties of braids, knotless braids, crochets, just anything you can pretty much think of, I'll be doing. So make sure you guys check it out. Hopefully we'll be seeing each other here in Lagos. The salon is located in Victoria Island. I believe I gave you guys a tour of the salon, like when I did the silk press tutorial with Folake. So make sure you guys check out that video to get to meet Folake. She's so sweet, and I'm so excited to be working with her. Literally the perfect person and perfect salon to be at right now. Oh, by the way, for this hairstyle, I'm going to be adding a little bit of a twist at the side. This is just to give the hairstyle a little bit more personality and not make it so boring and like a typical stitch braids, I guess. So I'm just going to be doing some triangles on the side and then add it along to the braids. Now, like I said, this is my first time attempting the stitch braids, so I think I did pretty good, honestly. But the more I do them, the better I'm going to become. I know that for a fact, because I already know my first try was better than, it was better. It was pretty good. It's not all the way there, but, we're working towards it. I'm really trying to make sure I'm able to do the stitch braids with my fingers and not use the help of a comb, because I just think that the better you have it down with your fingers, the faster you're going to become, one. And it just looks different as opposed to when you're parting it with a comb. Parting it with a comb makes it look too perfect and too square, and it's kind of obvious because, I don't know, it's just weird. But yeah, that's why I'm really trying to work on this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let me not ramble. I'll let you guys watch, and I'll catch you guys at the end of this video, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you smash the like button, share this video, and also let me know in the comments section, let me know how I did, what techniques I can use to improve my next attempt at the stitch braids. But yeah, let me know. I'd love to get your feedback and your tips and tricks on how you learned how to do your stitch braids. If you want, I can do a beginner friendly stitch braids. I had one hairstylist here show me how she did her, you know, like the beginner friendly style of stitch braids. It does take longer, but it does get the job done, you know, if you're still learning. But honestly, I recommend you just practice on a mannequin with your fingers, because you work faster, it saves time, and it's more professional. So yeah, just a little tip. But yeah, let me know how I did in the comment section. I'll catch you guys next on my next video, which will probably be this week as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned, turn on your notifications so that way you do not miss an upload, because honey, I'm not playing anymore. I'm coming back. I miss doing hair. I just couldn't just sit back and watch everybody else do hair, so it's not possible. So here I am, back again, live and direct in the flesh. Oh girl. Hey, have a merry day and God bless.